Today, we're diving into a super useful topic: how to master your grocery list organization using ChatGPT. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent juggling multiple tasks, or just someone looking to streamline your grocery shopping, this video is for you. Let's get started. In our first segment, we'll create a basic grocery list for a week's worth of meals. This is a foundational step in using ChatGPT for grocery planning. To get started, we'll ask ChatGPT to help us generate a simple grocery list based on a typical week's meal plan. This will include breakfast, lunch, dinner, and some snacks. So let's insert our prompt right here. There we go. Just as I stated earlier with this, and then let's send this over right now. Now we'll wait for ChatGPT to process our request and generate a comprehensive list for us. See? There we go. In each section, there's different food groups like grains, pantry essentials, breakfast specific, snacks, and then it could ask you which kind of recipes or meal ideas to go with these ingredients. Let's go something more broad. Let's say more theme on summer. Let's go with that one and hit send. And then, as you can see, here's a revised list. Down here, these were rehashed with each different food groups right here. And yeah, see how easy that was? With just one prompt or two, you have a comprehensive grocery list covering all your meals for the week. You can also input specific meal plans or dietary preferences to customize the list further, just like what I did right here. See? It's quite useful actually. Thanks, ChatGPT. Next, let's make our shopping experience even more efficient by categorizing these items. This helps you save time in the store and ensures you don't forget anything. By organizing your grocery list into categories like produce, dairy, and pantry items, you can streamline your shopping trip and avoid unnecessary backtracking in the store. So let's see how ChatGPT can help us with that. So as you can see from the previous segment, ChatGPT has already helped you out with the categorization of the grocery items that were generated along. But just in case it did not actually generated without you prompting to ChatGPT, here's what I'll do. So here's the prompt that I put together right here. As you can see, there are a list of groceries, for instance. Then here it is. Can you categorize my grocery list into sections? Yada, 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 just as I stated earlier. And there. Now we'll wait for ChatGPT to organize our list into these helpful categories. And now, as you can see, your list is neatly categorized, making it much easier to navigate the store. You'll be in and out in no time, and you won't forget anything essential. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, please subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Thanks, guys! In our final segment, let's refine this list by adding specific quantities and preferred brands. This makes your shopping even more precise and tailored to your needs. Customizing your grocery list with specific quantities and preferred brands ensures you get exactly what you need and prefer, making your shopping experience more efficient and satisfying. Let's see how ChatGPT can help us achieve this once more. So we'll put in our prompt down here in the input box. So let's say Yeah, here it is, the list. And as you can see, some of them don't even have the specific quantity amount and such. Maybe ChatGPT could help us with that. And then here it is, the prompt itself. See? Just as I stated earlier, now we send this off right now. So let's wait for ChatGPT to refine our list with the details we specified. There we go. As you can see right here, as you can see in each of the grocery items, they're even more detailed with the brand itself. And yeah, here you go. So, with specific quantities and preferred brands added, your grocery list is now perfectly customized to your needs. This makes shopping more efficient and ensures you get exactly what you want. And there you have it. Don't forget to leave a comment below with what you would like to see next. Also, check the pinned comment below to download a quick guide for this video. Until we meet again, see you all next time.